Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry I'm in the dark, but anyways, so today's video, I had to give a coworker a ride to and from work. He was having problems with his tire or whatever, so I had to drop his truck off, get it filled up with air, so we basically left at the same time, so I didn't get to stay after work and record any videos, but I took some pictures and then I will talk about it in the video. So that's what I will be explaining today, what I did at work. And it was actually pretty fun, and the day went by mostly quick, except for the fact that I thought it was time to go an hour before because I got the time mixed up, so that kind of sucked. But anyways, it was a good day, and yeah, almost crashed on the way to work today because there was like a giant line of traffic on the freeway on-ramp, and people just slammed on their brakes, and driving a 28-year-old car or whatever, 29-year-old car, 30-year-old car, the brakes do not work at all. I slammed them to the floor and I slid for like 80 feet, and I was just like, well, I'm gonna crash, but luckily the car in front of me kept driving and didn't completely stop, otherwise I would have smashed them really hard. But yeah, so I'm just thankful it didn't crash into them. I just literally had my foot to the floor all the way, and I was sliding for like 7 seconds. I was like, well, here we go, and here we go, and any day now. So luckily I didn't. It was scary and it pissed me off. So anyways, here's the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so in the first picture right here, as you can see, I bent this one pipe in between the two boxes from yesterday, and then I went ahead and strapped the pipes from yesterday that were not strapped, the three coming out of that giant red box. And then I went ahead and, after got the first pipe bent, and did the second pipe right here, and that wraps around two walls, sort of, a wall and a little concrete, whatever that is. Oh, I don't even know what that is, I can't think, but so wrapped around the sheetrock wall and then onto the little concrete wall right there, the little 2-3 foot concrete wall that the thing is sitting on. And then I did my first ever back-to-back 90 that actually worked. I got it right for the first time in my life, so I was super proud of that. So yeah, maybe I'll make a video about that someday, but anyways, I looked it up on Google, and I got it right the first try, so super excited about that. So maybe I can do that right from now on. So basically a 90-90. I've always had problems with that just because I didn't know which way to bend it or where to make my mark at, so super excited about that. And then ran a flex up at the end into the little, I think they call it pecker head, and that's for the motor or whatever that is. I don't even know. I'm not looking at it right now, so I don't know. And then what else did I do? Pulled the wire in this picture, pulled the wire in between that box with the two pipes in it, and that goes underground up to these two pipes, and then that is flexed into the little makeup junction box right here. And so I went ahead and made up all these wires, or landed all these wires, and then the last two wires don't have a space to land it, so I just kept them and then left them in there. And I think that's all I did today. Oh no, actually we did some other stuff, but I didn't get any of that. Basically we're just moving some can lights, and then put the insulation back up because it was taken down, and then we hung a couple pieces of sheetrock, but then made a phone call and decided that the sheetrocker was going to rehang the sheetrock, so we didn't have to. And yep, that's about it. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, drop it a like. I'd appreciate that. Please subscribe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Alright, Will, I went to the electric store. Unfortunately, they do not have the voltage tester and the other tool that I wanted to buy, which I should probably just get for free from my company. Anyways, I'll ask them tomorrow, so maybe I don't have to buy my screwdriver, but the voltage tester will be in tomorrow. I have a $25, 1 second, I don't want to show it, all my I have a $25 gift card, so I'm going to use that, and I'll pick it up tomorrow. They said it'll be here at like 6:30 in the morning, but I'll have to pick it up after work. So, yep, that's just a little update there for you.